Daycare near Chilhowie Park closes abruptly with no warning, no explanation. Our investigation reveals recent trouble at that daycare, including reports of teachers vaping in the classroom with kids present and babies left in dangerous sleep conditions. Here's Sam Luther.
When parents showed up at Bubbles and Giggles Daycare to pick up their kids on Wednesday, an employee handed them this letter. It says the daycare is, quote, shutting down and apologizes for any inconvenience, saying the timing is out of our control. Parents tell us the next day they had nowhere to take their kids. It's unclear as to why the daycare is closed. The owner won't answer our calls. But state records show recent trouble at the center and an alarming history of violations and complaints. About a month ago, state investigators say they found a baby, quote, sleeping in a play yard, an educator vaping in a classroom with children present, and a baby sleeping in a bouncy seat. State investigators report being so concerned, they wrote the director and owner failed at their jobs, making the daycare a danger to children. Because of that glaring report, the state ordered the daycare director to be present at least half of the agency operating hours. Our search found violations dating back to 2016, including children in unsafe sleep environments, at risk of choking, and left alone. One parent who wanted to remain anonymous said they had a great experience at the daycare and had no idea these violations had taken place. Now that the daycare is closed, she's forced to bring her kids with her to work. In Knoxville, Sam Luther, WVLT News.
As far as we can tell through looking through court filings, the state has not ordered the daycare to shut down. We have reached out to DHS to see if they have any added information about what may have happened. We'll let you know what we hear back. Last month, though, DHS reported no violations at that daycare facility. Now, parents, you can browse violation history of your daycare or maybe a daycare that you're interested in. We've got a link to do that in the WVLT News app.